The British land-pattern musket, also known as the Brown Bess, was one of the longest-serving infantry firearms in world history. It was used by the British Empire on multiple continents for over 100 years. During the American Revolution, it was used by both Continentals and British regulars in many a pitched battle. Loading an 18th century musket was a regimented process that required training and practice to master. To accomplish this task more efficiently, soldiers would use cartridges, made of paper, which contained both powder and shot. There were many methods in which paper cartridges were made, but this video will walk you through one process which was originally published in a pamphlet in Massachusetts Bay in 1776. These instructions are intended to be used in conjunction with the paper cartridge kits provided by the Jefferson Arsenal. For a complete selection of historically accurate, fully functional musket ammunition, head on over to www.thejeffersonarsenal.com to browse the collections. The Brown Bess cartridge kits contain all the necessary materials to construct your own ammunition, minus gunpowder due to shipping concerns. Before you begin, cut the spool of twine into 6-inch sections. Next, unravel the choking cord assembly and affix it to the edge of the table using a clamp. Extend the cord to the right of your workstation. You're now ready to begin constructing your cartridges. Take a sheet of cartridge paper and place it on the table. Take the forming dowel in the right hand and find the hollow end. Lay the dowel across the bottom of the paper, 2 finger widths from the broad edge of the trapezoid. Turn the former around the paper 1 full revolution, then fold the paper into the hollow end of the dowel before rolling the rest of the paper. This creates the space in which you will insert the musket ball, ensuring that it's seated snugly. Now, take the choking cord in your right hand and take it 1 full turn around the tube. Insert a finger into the recess, then draw gently on the cord. The cartridge should be choked shut. Tie the choked end shut with one of your 6-inch pieces of twine using a simple knot. Ensure the cartridge is securely closed on this end. Cut the excess twine. Pour a measured charge of black powder into each cartridge. Then take the excess paper and twist it tightly closed, folding the excess to the side. You now have a complete Brown Bess cartridge. Though musket cartridges in the 18th century were sometimes manufactured in factories, they weren't always available to armies on campaign. Instead, soldiers would often have to construct their own cartridges out of whatever materials may have been available to them in camp. The few surviving cartridges from the American Revolution suggest that there were many other methods used during the conflict, some more rudimentary than others. Using paper cartridges of this type, the average British infantryman was said to be able to fire 3 shots a minute, with more seasoned troops able to fire perhaps 4 or even 5 rounds per minute. Thank you for watching this instructional video. For more information on historic ammunition, follow our Facebook page at www.facebook.com/thejeffersonarsenal. For our complete line of products, have a look at our website at www.thejeffersonarsenal.com and don't forget to subscribe to our mailing list.